The roundtables were great. Those are the best aspect of the meeting, where people with different skills and experiences get together and talk about different topics, and you learn because you're debating topics. So the roundtables are the best aspect of these meetings.
Yes, I joined 4 today. I must say interaction is great. Also depends a bit on what's the expertise of the people who join that particular roundtable. So sometimes it's a little bit more trying to learn, other times it's more high-level discussion on a topic that many people there know. But either way, it's very enriching.
The topics for the roundtables were quite varied as well this time. I attended some of the roundtables which I was just sitting and listening to, but I also led one of the roundtables which was more about data management and large data set. How do you manage the challenges that comes with large data sets? And generally speaking, the interactions were very good. People were very open about the problems that we're facing with the data that they create in their organizations and how they manage that. Really liked the open discussions that happened during the roundtable discussions.
I did, yeah. I attended the data management in Silico target validations, as well as DMPK and tox predictions. All very valuable and very relevant to what we're doing and what we're planning to do in the future.
Yes, I did participate in one-to-one meetings, and it was useful. I learned a lot about what the company in question could offer.
Yes, sure. So talking to CRO providers, system providers, it's always nice because nowadays there is a lot of things developing. So even though last year with one of them that I spoke again this year, it's nice to see what new tools they have to offer, or how can I adapt that maybe to my own business or to customers' businesses.
I think it was nice to get to know the people, whom we were talking to. These were, senior people from various different biotech organizations. We could understand what the pain points that they have at the moment and how we can help them with the products that we have. It was overall, the one-to-one meetings were really good. I think we made some good contacts there as well.
Yes, absolutely. Very useful to know what the promoters are active in, and we might be in touch and plan to use some of the products in the future as we see fit.
The level of seniority was good. There was lots of interesting contacts, aware of the key happenings in the industry at this moment in time. So I had a really good time and very interesting discussions with them.
Well, it's I think the third or fourth time I attend the events organized by Proventa. There is a reason why I keep coming, of course, and is that there are, I don't know of any other event where I can meet people of such seniority from different companies. Of course, there are also academics, but the ecosystem is very much focused on industry. It's very nice to reflect and discuss different topics and see how the people approach this thing, how do they solve the problems, or how do they advise on what you can do. So I think it's very enriching.
I think of all the events of Proventa that were organized before, I think this event was particularly interesting for me because of several reasons. One, the interaction between the attendees. Secondly, the broad spectrum of attendees who came for the meeting, which was very interesting, and the interaction that people had. There were very open conversation between the companies, the common issues that they face in current market, looking at solutions, how they can mitigate some of the risks that they are facing. So I think overall, I really liked the dynamics, the interactions between the attendees of this meeting.
Yeah, very good, very useful discussions. It was very valuable that we had attendees from different angles, late stage, big pharma to early stage pipelines and biotechs. Very good all-round discussions. I like the variety of comments and inputs and level of experience into the discussions.
Yes, I would attend this event next year, and I'm actually attending the medicinal chemistry event tomorrow.
Absolutely, no doubt at all. I will definitely attend this event again next year.
I would, yeah, absolutely. Very useful meeting. Depending on future availability, absolutely, I would definitely join the meeting again.
Yes, for sure. I'm planning to come. Actually, I came 3 times to the drug discovery, and this year I decided to also come drug discovery biology. So tomorrow is drug discovery medicinal chemistry. So first time I come to both because I think I could gain more insights.